Alright, hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Kaya. If you're in today's video, I'm going to be reviewing and installing and slick kind of styling a new wig today. The unit that I'm reviewing today is from Braids Queen. This is in the color 1B/30T, so it has more of a brown shade with a little bit of copper tone to it is how I would describe it. Especially in person, it looks a little bit coppery to me. So yeah, it's been a minute since I've done a somewhat braided wig. The ones that I have tried have been synthetic, and I've actually tried one before that was kind of styled like this, and it was an absolute fail. So I'm really excited to see what this one is going to look like once I get it on and styled, and see if it's going to be a lot better than the previous experience I had on another brand's unit that was styled like this. We'll just go ahead and jump into it. I'm probably going to fast forward just a little bit of this because what took me the longest was the baby hairs, of course. So this is actually a really quick install. I think it'll be a lot quicker after I have basically cut the baby hairs how I would like for them to be. And that way, once I start to wear the unit more often, it'll be a lot quicker with the process of putting it on versus me having to, you know, fight and tussle with these baby hairs, because I really be feeling like baby hairs be wanting to square up with me, but you know, I let them have that and I just try to work with it, okay? But anyways, so putting this unit on initially, I was like, ooh, she is nice and snug, but nice and snug in a good way, because it's going to cause you or prevent you from having to use so much glue. I definitely did not have to use a lot of glue. The only places I used it to keep the wig in place was on the sides near my ears, because like in every wig, the ears just don't stay down for me, but using the glue that way, it definitely helped. I just put the glue on, and then I did a wrap cap with it and just laid it on there for probably about 5 to 7 minutes or so with low heat from my blow dryer. And then once I took it off, the sides were nice and stuck and they're not going anywhere. So I would say the wig cap fits very snug, but it's a good way because you don't have to use glue when you put the wig on. So I definitely don't think it runs big head friendly. I did do adjustable straps though. I did them kind of like midways, but I really don't think it made that much of a difference, if you get what I'm saying. It's the Got To Be, and then I use the Got To Be black container, and then I use the Got To Be spray. I use both with taming the sides down. And then once I got finished with that and I took the wrap cap off, you know, it was time to go in with the powder. The powder is the last and final and most important step, I feel like, with this unit. Adding that powder definitely made this unit look so much more natural. It looks like it was braided into my hair and that you're seeing my scalp. I actually love the fact that this lace was tinted. It's literally my exact skin tone, so it like fell right into my skin. I didn't even have to blend the hairline whatsoever. So the lace came extremely tinted. I would say it's even more of a deeper color than what I would go for, but it blended so well that I was absolutely pleased with it. This unit probably runs about 24 inches long. It's kind of long, I'm not gonna lie. I'll have all the information below on this unit in my description box if you guys are interested in it. If there was a question that I didn't answer, just make sure you leave it in the comment section below and I will answer that for you. I do want to say thank you to Braids Queen for sending me this unit today for review purposes. It is absolutely adorable. I really like this unit and I definitely will be wearing it more. It gives me a chance to rock some braids since I don't get to do that so much. I actually really like having like individual twisted braids in my hair in general to wear, but since I am in the wig review world, it's kind of difficult to do so because you don't want to put them in and then have to take them out so quickly. So I am absolutely pleased and definitely happy to have this braided wig in my life, because it'll give me the chance to rock some braids now. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching today's video. If you enjoyed it, make sure you leave me a thumbs up, make sure you leave a comment and subscribe to my channel, and hit the notification bell below as well so you'll be notified each time I upload a video. Thank you guys so much for watching, and until next time, I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.